Buongiorno, Luca, Roberto, Andrea. Today, May 16th, exactly 1 month before I land at Milan in Brno later that day. And you're wondering, why am I cycling, indoor cycling on my spin bike, watching the Giro d'Italia? Good explanation. It's pouring rain here. Miserable day. Was going to be a outdoor cycling session. And as I mentioned to Roberto in our Zoom call yesterday, and he has agreed to secure perfectly sunny weather for the week of June 23rd. No wind, of course, and low 20s Celsius. So that's what's on order. I thought I'd record this short video for you to take a look at and see how I'm maintaining the legs. Somewhat, not nearly as good a workout as outdoor on the bike, but better than missing a workout completely. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Ciao for now, and peace out.